Hey, I'm Joel, of course, and one of the questions that we're asked is, do I have to have an attorney to go through the divorce or family law process? And the answer is no. We live in a country that allows us access for every individual to our courthouse. Our courthouse doors are open for anyone to be able to go and to represent themselves. However, you have to understand one thing, that if you choose to represent yourself in the court of law, then you are going to be held to the standard of an attorney. What does that mean? Well, courthouses are filled with rules and regulations, and the laws that apply to your case are set out in volumes and volumes of books. And you're going to be required to understand that process and what the substantive law is that you are trying to express to a judge. Now, a judge is not going to prohibit you. If you choose to do that, then we live in a land, and it's an amazing country that we live in, that does allow you access. But I would tell you, there's an old adage that is said, a fool has himself for a lawyer. Well, I'm not calling anybody a fool, but what I am saying is that you need to be extraordinarily cautious if you choose to represent yourself. Because, especially in family law matters, the agreement that you come up with, or the result that is created by the court, is defined very specifically. And so if you enter into an agreed order and you set out what you believe will be all of the things that encompass your family law scenario, such as custody, visitation, child support, and you unknowingly leave out a critical component that is going to be very central to one of the rights that you want to try to emphasize as part of your family law matter, then that was going to be silent, and the other party is going to be able to potentially utilize that against you to your disadvantage. So while the court system is available for you to come, I would caution you, be very, very careful about doing that. The other thing is that if you choose to represent yourself, and if a motion or a pleading is filed, and you don't know that there are specific dates to respond to that, then you could be found in default. And that motion or pleading that's been issued that requires a response can then be issued against you, forever barred, and completely change the outcome of how you want your case to be. Be careful representing yourself. While all things are available, not everything is profitable. It's an adage that's in the scripture. And I think it's true to the law today. If you'd like questions about your family law matter, listen, we offer complimentary consultations with you to discuss your case and figure out if it's something that we can help you with or whether you can do it yourself. Feel free to contact us at lacourselaw.com or 918-744-7100. We'd love to talk to you about your family law matter.